Hi, everybody. It's Mike from Here the Watchmen, and we are out in High Hill, Missouri, where Jeannie and I are attending and participating in the Warrior Summit, Jamie Walden's camp, where we're gathering to fellowship as a group in person once again. And you know, Jeannie and I, all the way from Idaho, have felt that we've been followed by something. I don't know if it's the NSA, I don't know what's going on, but you can hear it in the background. I think we might be followed by a drone. Look, you can see it back there. That guy's been following us all the way across the country. I'm telling you, the NSA is following us. They don't want us to gather in person. I can't believe this is happening. I mean, the whole way across the country. A drone. They're after us. They're following Christians. Be aware. Be ready. Get ready for what's coming. It's here. Anyway, folks, actually, we are up here in the hall that we are going to have the church services on Sunday at, and none other than my good friend and brother in Christ, David Paxton, is operating the drone for me. And he's doing drone lessons. We're showing people how to use them for good purposes in case you need to surveil when things are kicking off and coming down. And we just want you to pay attention to what's going on here on the Watchmen's Report this weekend. We're going to have some great interviews, some great shows, have a lot of fun for you guys, show you some really neat and interesting stuff. And if we're lucky, I'll talk David into taking some drone footage and upload that on the channel so you can see that too. God bless each and every one of you. Have a wonderful, wonderful Labor Day weekend. Relax, get together with family. Don't buy it. The COVID thing, don't let them shut the remnant body down. We'll see you again here on the Watchmen's Report.